Bean, can you just hold the on? Can you stay just for like a few minutes? Just stay right there. No. Bean. No. Just lay down. Just lay down real quick. Just go to sleep. Shh, go to sleep. No. Just pretend we're acting. Can you act? No. Can you act like you're asleep? Pretend like. Can you just like. Just for like a minute. You're such a stink, do you know that? No, not on me. Not on me. Okay, Bean, I'm gonna have to kick you off the bed at this point. Can you get down? Get down. Stay. Back, Steven, back! I have so much. Can you just pretend? Dude, they gotta see the bonnet. You can't lay right there. Please. Can you stop? Oh, you're getting mad at me now? Okay, I'm gonna lock you in the closet.